Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Road 7B, Earthwork Quantities. This video illustrates A. Default quantity takeoff settings, B. Compute earthwork quantities, C. Create earthwork table, and D. Total volume tables. Earthwork cut and fill volumes are computed from cross-sections between the existing and datum surfaces using the average end area method. The volumes are computed separately for each sample line group. The sections are taken at the locations of the sample lines. Quantity takeoff defaults, settings, right-click quantity takeoff, edit feature settings, default styles, quantity takeoff criteria, earthwork, material shape style, earthwork, default name format, material name template, material next counter, material list name template, next material list counter. OK. Expand quantity takeoff, commands, right click add total volume table, edit command settings, table creation, table style earthwork, split table true, max number of rows 80, max tables per stack 3, table spacing 0.0004 inches, stacks are adjacent to each other, tile direction across, OK. Compute earthwork quantities for the Kincaid alignment, prospector, corridors, right click kin corridor, rebuild, analyze ribbon, volume and materials panel, compute materials icon, select alignment, kin crown, select sample line group, SLG, kin crown road, OK. Quantity takeoff criteria, earthwork, volume calculation method, average end area, curve correction tolerance, yes, place check mark, 1.00, leave as default, surfaces, e.g., click here to set all, existing surface with aerial, datum, click here to set all, kin datum surface, OK. Repeat previous steps to compute the earthwork volumes for each side road, create earthwork volume table for Kincaid, analyze ribbon, volumes and materials panel, total volume table, table style earthwork, layer, see road text, alignment, kin crown, sample line group, SLG, kin crown road, select materials list, leave as default, split table yes, maximum rows per table 80, maximum tables per stack 3, offset 0.004 inches, tile tables across, behavior, dynamic, OK. As prompted, select location in clear area to the right of the Kincaid profile for the top left corner of the table. OK. Repeat the previous steps to create the earthwork table for each side road. Draw a temp 50-foot horizontal line from top right corner of Kincaid table. L, enter. 50, enter. Place top left corner of the 44th north table at end point of line. Total volume table. 44th north, OK. Draw a 25-foot vertical line from the bottom left corner of the 44th table. L, enter. 25, enter. Place the top left corner of 44th south table at end point of vertical line. Volume table. 44th south, OK. Continue for remainder of side roads. Use a spreadsheet to tabulate the cumulative volumes of cut and fill from each alignment. Create total volume label, annotate ribbon, add labels top part, feature, note, label type, note, label style, note 0.15 with border, marker style none, add, pick in a clear area, escape, pick note, right click, edit label text, total cut volume 19,500 cubic yards. Enter to start a new line. Total fill volume 1,200 cubic yards. OK. Pick note, and move to desired location. Escape. Only use 3 significant figures for earthwork volumes. A greater accuracy is not justified. Use same procedures to create a second note with label style 0.10 with border that reads, Earthwork volume includes removal of existing concrete, asphalt, and aggregate-based materials. The volumes are raw and do not include any adjustments for shrinkage, expansion, subsidence, nor stripping. A sheet border around the quantity tables will be created in a subsequent video. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.